In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share Glide apps. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, navigate to the Glide website. Once you're on the Glide homepage, you'll need to click on the Login button, usually found in the top right corner, to access your account. After logging in, you'll see your dashboard. Locate and open the specific app that you wish to share with others. If your app hasn't been published yet, you'll see a Publish button in the top right corner. Click on this to make your app live and shareable. Once your app is published, you can then proceed to the settings. Look for the Settings option, typically located at the top of your app's editing interface. Within the Settings menu, find and click on the Access section. Here you can control who sees your app. Ensure your access level is set correctly for your needs. Choose Public if you want anyone with the link to be able to access your app, or select Private if you only want specific invited users to have access. After setting your access level, remember to click the Publish button in the top right corner again to save these changes. Glide will then provide you with a unique app link. Copy this link to your clipboard. To quickly test that everything is working, paste the copied link into a new browser tab and open it to ensure your app is accessible as intended. Thanks for watching. If you found this Glide tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step app building guides. See you in the next video.